Welcome to TV Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip news through pieces of tender rapper social media. Leader of youth El Gringo achinyomba sewekinela achiti wekinela anakuyekwa kuzama kuprova point nekuti ndakati ane kadiki levels ane hombe saka arida kukuredza kuti ndiye aidya vakadzi vevanhu tererai munzwa zvakaoma.
Here's what's going on. Guys, this is the truth. It's like I said, this life is not going really to be what you guys are expecting, but it's going to be the truth. Munoona zvinoitika vanhu pane vanhu like for example tibate pana tiri pana chifuta apa tisataenda kure. Tunangoti tibate pana chifuta apa tisataenda kure. Varume nyaya iyi mafambiro airi kuita ndekudai so. Sekuona kwandakaita hangu ideni muri kuona tikange tatiendei pandakaita live inini ndinasu papostwa levels 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 ainikumbira mari so handiti ndomaitikira zvakaita kai papostwa levels paipa levels ainikumbira mari and what not. Levels aikukumbira mari bro. Sakana levels aikukumbira mari munhu akubuditsa kaproof dzake dzekuti levels aikukumbira mari handiti, because no one was talking about him. Everybody was quiet. People were quiet. No one was talking about him, and people were now going to focus on the Auditor General's report, which was much more important. I don't want you to lose focus, youth, young people. I don't want you to lose focus. We have people that are corrupt. And instead of us focusing on that, but here's what's going on. Apostle levels, bye. Apostle levels. Apostle levels. The vataita day. Then in maneru every day maneru eche iwayo. Tukuvanda uya panapa mvanda kudza reason chaiyo. And mukomana ari kudeni kwake mvafunga kati but zvishura inyaya ide chokwadi kuti ndobva ndataura kanyaya yemukomana uyu handiti mukomana uyu tichiti mukomana uyu tichikupa imenzaniso paipai ndoda kuti mubate brief of the story pandaitika uyu chichichi mukomana handiti mukomana ndobva anatso realize kuti but inini ka ndiri kunzwa isoba neni ndorova mabhebhi mutown mabhebhi akawanda ndinawo mudm mango. What do I do? My system is running out of memory. Why is this machine doing this thing to me? What do I do? Let me show them kuti ndini ndiri kuvarova mutaundi. Muri kunzwisisa? Let me show them kuti ndini ndiri kuvarova mutaundi. As much as I wanted to be the one agreement yakayeka handisi, there was no hack. No one was hacked. Listen to me. No one was hacked. Mukomana akafila kuti no man mfana ndisaiza uyu Zimbabwe yese ini ndini chikonzero ipapa Zimbabwe yese yatrenda ninye kuti mfana yataura kuti ndini ushu ni mfana ndilika akataura kuti uyu but zvadaro manje mumusoro memukomana muri kuti no man inini ndine power inini ndiri kuvarova vanhu vavava mani mutaundo but they don't know. I have to show it to them. What does he do? He goes amene kuti advise ndakambokuudzai kuti brain hadzishande zvakanaka dzemunhu isi tinenge tine proof card ngokuudze. I told you people. Brain dzake uyu hadzishande uyu. Ndakakuudzai pfungwa dzemunhu uyu hadzishande uyu. Anditi ndine kadiki. But muharare mese. Pese pandakamuka njitrenda pepeyonze gringo video ichitenderera izvo video iri all over the place in Zimbabwe. Kwese all over the place. But hamungandidaro nyangwe ndikaita kadiki ndiri kurova vanhu venyu vese let me tell you, DM mukomana yakazara vanhu vari kukumbira mari, vari kuita sei, vari kuita sei, vari kuita sei, nedzamunoti mbika dzenyu dziinda dzisina kupostwa idzodzo. Tsika so mukuitika kwezvinhu mene ndikupei muenzaniso. Ini ndini ndaheka, let's say for example ndaheka mukomana, ndaise ndaheka munhu anopisa, for example ndomuheka, handiti kana ndakuposta ma-screenshots ko phone number ndodzivharirei. What is the reason yekuvhara phone number? Phone number ndodzivharirei. Then inovhara toenda pane dzangu ndo andavhara futi. Uri kuvharirei phone number? Iyi yanga iri idea yekuda kuburitsa kuvanhu kuti muri kunditi ndine kadiki asi vasikana venyu yese yemuHarare ndiri kurova. Hapana munhu akahekwa apa. Nda kuti munatso dissect. There was no hack. Listen to me. Paka, let's say wahekwa yoyo. Account ye yakatombo disappear, yakabaniswa na Stuart nyama yao. He made the account banned. When the account was banned, it disappeared. Everybody, all of you saw it, that the account it's no longer there. And then later on, 30 minutes or so, the account came back. If an account has been banned, for you to get it back, you have to prove that it's yours. You have to log into the account. You proved that the account is yours. The account came back. And then after the account came back, he had his account at that time. So you can what account you go back? Why are you not deleting my status SI? Why are you not deleting all of those statuses? Why are you not deleting all of those statuses? I got my account back. You wait for those statuses. Finish. Listen to me. I want you to go back. Ukatarisa pa charts paper. All of this statement, one statement, oh, they are fake. No, it's to kugadzira kakuprovoka vanhu kuti tauraini zvangu. The account was not hacked. I know it. Right now, if you go onto that account, I want you to go there. Right now, go onto the account. Go and check on about account. After you check on about account, you will see that the account is still showing that it's based in Zimbabwe. If an account was hacked by Indians, sent by Passion or whatever, the account's last location will be that location. For almost, I think, for 7 days for the last location. It's based in Zimbabwe. Iwo kana waheka munhu uchida kumu-expose urikuvharirei phone number. Phone number waheka kamunhu saka phone number urikuvharirei. I have exposed a lot of people here. How many times did I expose people here? Ndakamaka phone number. How vary phone number kana wahekwa kana uri heka yo how vary phone number. Don't be stupid. This guy was provoked because ndakapost a video nini nchitichi levels reason chacha the fact pekutanga. Can I tell you something? Let me open your mind. Ndodama youth anofunga, ndodama youth ano dissect. And papostwa zvinhu level zvapostwa sanasi. And akaposta I think maybe around 3 or 2 ameno maskati. And aposta and aposta zvalevels. And no one came and said my account has been hacked. That whole day you didn't see that his account is hacked. That whole day ndikapera ndikauya panapa ndikamushauta ndikati aiwa mukomana wereason ndeaka. Ipapo patakataura kuti reason ndeaka, he had to show everybody in Harare, mese ma big boys emuHarare kuti taurai zvenyu zvamada but vanhu venyu ndiri kuita sei ndiri kuvadya. Java is not even involved. No one, all of these people that will come and claim, no, we are involved. I'm telling you, I've checked. The account is still logged in on an Android device. It never moved from there. Nothing. Then he starts going back The moment he realized that could post some juicy stuff about Anna Das and all of that, he kept on posting only on that. And then he posted my chat in 2023. In 2022, ana vaskana veve news. Those chats were from 2022. These screenshots were being taken. Look at the screenshots. Why would I save the number? Why would I close the number? Ye muno wandruku expose. Nuku farei number yoyo. Kuti tuone number. Takaona payanga ya donzwa na kiki pepe. Dopa teka zona number isusu. Kuti aore akanga nokuvara number. Listen to me. What are those charts? I want you to go and check very careful. They were deleted in making context. Everything I deleted to give you narrative, because immediately you realize you will be shocked. I'm telling you right now. The only thing jaraida kukuratidza kukuda kukuratidza kuti ndini nini vapfana vacho vakazviita vapfana vacho vakaita navo nese nechine chi, they are there in Harare. They can tell what I'm telling you right now. This is the truth. I am telling you right now. There was no hack. It's not that simple. Two-factor authentication, even if you provide a password, two-factor authentication is very, very effective. Listen to me. Don't let, the only thing that can happen is to ban the account. When my account in let me tell you, when my account in was taken from me some time ago, how did he do it? I gave him the code that was sent to me. I posted it. Someone is trying to hack me. I was stupid. At those days, back in the day, if you can remember, back in the day, 3-4 years ago, when I posted that code, that's the only way they could get into the account. They were not getting into the account. His account was not hacked. The account was banned. They asked the steward, he called the steward and said, "Steward, can you please get it? My account, so my account was hacked. What? My account was hacked. Listen to me, after G. After Gringo ataura kuti auneka diki wewe. He claimed that he posted the levels chat. It was him. Then it akuzoenda manje kwakupostwa na Kiki Bedes. The first thing that he had to do is to post kuti uyani magarma ombe pati ndomurova nekadiki kacho kamakati ndinako. The whole thing was trending. Uyani kadiki. Out mufunge. It was not even me. I did not even hack the guy. I don't even know how to do it as we speak. Phishing, if I send a phishing link right now to him, the phishing link, it will give me the password. But listen to me and listen very careful. Even the phishing link itself, it cannot make me log in. I'm telling you right now. This guy Stuart was asked, all right, how many times has Stuart Nyamayaro brought back this account? How many times? This account was hacked back then. And guess what? When it was hacked, these boys, they want to sell the account. They don't post chats. They want to sell the account. 1. 2, he came back and said, thank you, Stuart, for bringing back my account. He came back and said, thank you, Stuart Nyamayaro, you brought back my account. This guy was posting these charts so that he can show you. He was hacked, there was a hack. It's a lie. You hear me? It's a lie. No one was hacked at all. No one was hacked. I had to go through and check all of those things. I checked myself. I'm telling you right now as we speak. Vapana vakazviita vapana vaishandwa navo vakaita process to he takes advice from stupid young people. I can add this guy here. Let me show you. I want to show. He started deleting chats so that they can give a narrative. You could na someone there. You could someone. He gave a narrative. You wanted that narrative. You wanted it to happen as that. My guy, was there any hack?
Hapana hacking yaita.
Hapana hacking bye. Kana ndiri kunyeba ndipatei muti gringo kunyeba. Hapana hacking yakaitwa. Shaman, didn't you ban the account?
Ona chi. Vanaifanira kutora chokwadi wana. Because hapana hacking yaita. Hapana hacking yaita. Vaifanira kutora chokwadi kuti tisi tiri mucontrol.
Their account, they were in control. This guy was angry because Makamutane Kadiki, and it's known. It's a national secret. You are known Kasimudze ma injinesa. The only thing that was now there, younger yakuda kupuruvira boys death them town kutaiwa ndini ndinovarova vanhu venyu vese. That's why he came back and he lied. I could tell that this is a lie. Everyone was saying Gringo Stewart. Via account. There was no.
Ama inandiyeke my accounts. Ndinorecover my accounts. Akayego. Ini manje ndakapinwa muzita rangu ndichitira kubatsira munhu ndisikazivi kuti vanhu vari maaccount yavo.
Because I will ask you a question. Didn't the account disappear when you banned it?
What?
Yeah. For example, what was the solution that I did? Didn't I ban my account?
You did.
I banned the account permanently and the account disappeared. Am I not lying? So, when you banned the account, after the account was banned, then the account appeared back. How does the account appear back so fast?
I don't know. But there's a Tuesday chokwadi. So I think we explained quite that time. But you know what? Vakuziya chokwadi, you know. This is about talking in Masaska, man. That's cool. But next 10 days, I don't do that. It really cover my account.
If an account has been banned, we can recover it, or we can make an account disappear. I personally can make an account disappear. If we are not accounts, exactly, we can make an account disappear. We can do a ban, but there is no hack. This guy
to be honest.
Is there anything that has changed on the details of the account as we speak right now?
There's the same email, same phone number, same location. So what the fuck? They're lying. I don't know why they're doing that.
They're lying. There's no hack. Same phone number, same email, same everything. We have checked over and over. I've used the tools. I'm telling you, I even bought a tool to just check the whole IP address and everything.
Probably it was easier. But no good is when was zita rangu amana really bo. El gringo really bo. La passion java really bo. Ko same do the you know.
It doesn't make sense for me. Even if you do anything, let me tell you, the context of the charts will tell you. Are you telling me kuti mimi mudiye memkomana uyo ndizvo chete zvevasikana izvi zverimo? You will be shocked.
My business charts.
My business charts. You wanted to counter the fact kuti post that reason yaka ndo reason yakatenderana nayo ndo chete pamba ine point
because inanda reason yewataka muna nemali ini tinobatsirana nemali nevanhu vane maproblem
unomataki ichi
under reason
account. How many times have you recovered this account? Be honest.
I think account yake ndakarecover I think 5
times.
5 times. So why would I post my screenshots right now? Why would I do that?
Exactly. Recover account, we can recover an account. Everything. How many times have we recovered accounts in Zim right now? There is no hack. I want you people to understand. All of you people going around and saying, ah, no, they hate you, they what. All of these people, some of them are our friends that were posted with those things. And yet there's no yek. This guy wanted to trend. He wanted to trend.
Haina
That's the
ina
whole
ngwandi
thing.
ziyangu reason kuthiwa Elgin, but
In reason,
whatever zvaitira kuitika, that's 100% bullshit. Because as making sense with this mazera no shiba, tinoona kuti ball unoziya.
some people even wanted to say no, it's the wife, the whole thing wanted to be pinned on the wife. So the wife, there's nothing there. The account is not the log in did not change. What's the first thing that you do, Stuart? Can one account yako big?
Ndochinja zvinhu zvese ndoita sei ndisa two-step authentication.
For the two-factor authentication will change everything. Why hasn't everything changed?
So why is it you unoramba uchihekwa like 5 times with the same thing? And then last unzongotanga kungobuda uchiti zvinhu ichi ndahekwa naningi
Ndaikona
waposta
nini
machasi.
all this while. Saka imi makutotoona kunge tiri mabalance like that. Tatopusa zvokubva mabva matita mabalance zvoti we had to come on a public platform and tell you the whole truth like this.
Ina ndowanzoita malive but zita rangu rakakoshwa kwandiri.
Because I will tell you these people, inini handina wandonyara kana wandotya ezvina izvi. Handa wandonyara kana wandotya. There was no hack. This guy leaked these messages and he was fabricating them. Let me tell you the truth. He was changing certain things, dragging, making to give you a context. Abana, you'll be shocked. Harina warakachaya rieri. Kana rakarohwa mari nana kiki rakatongorohwa mari. Harina kana romboro. Harina skiri racho rieri. Harina the scheme is not there.
Zvitowana Elgin handizviziva but inini bo ndataura hangu side rangu.
Mfana wangu wazombata mamesere mupariso.
Ndinomuona izvozvo.
Ukutonomuona. Handifonera chita kupinda mutown.
Alright. Abo. Ita yoke.
If let me tell you guys, this guy he wanted to do anorova vasikana vesa. Dauti uye ndotarisa pachichati chakabuda chekuratidza kuti china mai chari cheche. Of all the people, are you telling me mudm maka hamuna vasikana veku South Africa? South Africans hamo muaccount name kuzotanga nekuposta kamurungu kuda kuudza vanhu ndorova kana mavheti nekadiki kako ndochekutanga. Chechituwa wakuposta naKiki Bedesi kuda kukuratidzai kuti aiwa nyange manditi nekadiki ndikuona yana Kiki Bedesi ndinovarova ndini kuvachaya. You get what I'm saying? Don't be stupid, young people. I want you to be sharp. Musa lose the focus yenyu mtibviswa focus pazvinhu zvakakosha nemabalance aya. He gets advice from very stupid dumb young people. He gets advice from nonsensical idiotic young people to vana tunoka mwanaka akafunga ndokanomupa maadvice. Can you tell me danda rakaita serieri shuwa rabvunzwa kunzi ndakambokupa example. Unoenda kupi mari zvikandotengesa fuel kuLesotho ndosupply 5 million liters kuLesotho. Lesotho inotenga 5 million liters kuti zvaita seko nyika ine vanhu 4 million. 5 million liters a week kuLesotho. Danda irori yeri ndakakudzai pfungwa dzakazara mafuta achifunge chitofo chemunhu. We could see that you wanted people to know kuti waida kuisa an impression yekuti ndori kurova vasikana vakaipa vacho veMarara. And yet you are not even. Uchidraga machance to delete certain things. If I hack someone, why would I close the number? Why am I covering the numbers? Then I get my account back. Why am I not deleting? Why am I not deleting the rest of the stuff? When I got hacked, let me ask you people. When I got hacked, my account appeared for less than 2 hours. Permanently. How do you get hacked for 24 hours? Yakatangira papi yakatangira pana levels here, because after you were hacked don't mundi explain it waposta zva levels ane dzungu chichichichi ndo pakatangira hack rapa kana kuti hack yakazotanga mangwana. Why didn't you tell people the same very day that you are hacked? pawaposta zvalevels wakati kubva wataura ipapo waida kuratidza vanhu kuti une power ka waida kutaurwa stereki mutaundi taura nditauri then ndobva ndarova counter inini muda nditaura imimi mudmm hamuna mashedi deals areiitika vaya kuti abdara pida mujobek chichichi twasikana to muSouth Africa tungani. You wanted to show you kuti inini. You go and check, you go and post zvana adasa zvema last year. Why not post the recent ones? Anti bebe rako, you want to impress kadi kuda kupa impression yekuti bebe rako. Saka bebe rako yo wakati kuti why ndaheka manje ndikudi kuposta zviri recent. Why do I have to go back kunotsvaga machato? Ari back. You people don't be stupid. Ndoda vana vakangwara, ndoda vanhu vakangwara, ndoda maZimbabweans akangwara, ndoda mayouth anodissecta zvinhu andinatsoona kuti this is a lie, this is a lie. Pakunyebwa apa. If I hate you, why would I close numbers? Ndoda kuti kuexpose akandobva ndaratidza. Then after manje vanhu vazobuditsa manje kuti these are fake. After pazobudiswa manje these are fake. Then what does he do? What does he go and do? He then goes and writes the number on top of a chart. We're stupid, like we're that way. My balance. We checked the account. The location never changed. We checked the account IP, MAC address in a Kagara account. I know very change. We checked. You people, you have no idea. Let me today go on my story. I'm going to post different. I want to tell you something. I'm going to post different every day. Every day I'm going to post different tools that we buy. Different tools. Every day there's a different tool that we buy. Every day we buy different tools. There is no one right now. Two-factor authentication is very difficult to get in. You pay over $5,000 to get into someone's account, and you can't even get in there for more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can't. There was no hack. You hate this truth. You do whatever. There was no hack. This guy wanted to portray. I know. And then I bought ndakatengera aida kukuipa impression kuti ndiyakatenga Bentley yekona adaso, which is a lie. Ana Branson ariko nchengeta vanhu vavo ndivo vakatenga mota itaurwa pepe. You realize kuti the men of my president zvawo zvavakapanana uko Fortune, Toyota Fortune fucking shit. I don't even drive a Fortune andina class 2 and drive my road personally. Then he goes there over takati ndatenga mota ndatenga ndo impression amaida kupiwa ino. Ndiri kudya vanhu venyu vakaipa vacho. Makapusireiko kudaiso? Why? Natsoona izvaka natsodissecta mushe iri dhanda hediri ramunoti chifuta iri. You wanted to counter the fact yeaka aida kungokuratidzai kuti nako aka vanhu venyu ndinawo madm. You be very very careful when you are talking to these idiots. They will claim and Clemens ava. Clemens, I will tell you right now, you personally balance right now is right now. If I want to prove to you, can DM, I can prove to you, I can start going through my DM and make things seem as if I can make things seem as if right now it's easy to give out an impression. I can give an. Do you think I'm going to tell them? Can I tell them? Yeah. Kukuvunza ikaka banatari wegezi musapuse nemabaransi, musapusiswe nemadofari, musapusiswe nemadofari. We found out the information and we had to give it to the public. We give it to the public. The public has to dissect on their own. Whether you take it or not, this is the truth. There was no hate. Listen, this is the truth. That money, mari, haireve kuti dzinoshanda. ukaona zvikanzi vangofanana nekunzi paitwa vana hazvirevo kuti sex yagonekwa ndamunhu akabhepwa chaicha anotanhunga ukanga waona dhanda hedhi raita mari usafungidzira kuti unofunga ibambiri you wanted to prove kumunhu wese imimi madofo emi kuti aiwa no ndini tiri kudya vana kana makachitarisa icho chiya chofuta chichi icho chiya icho chiya you wanted to put up an impression you realize mukazoda kuzobvunza kuti vanhu vacho havasi kuda kuti vakanatsozviona kuti pakati pameseji yakati chakati chadelitwa pasiwa zvakati pakati chakati chadelitwa odelita kuside uko delita kuside uko usara nezvakadai so odelita kuside uko delita kuside uko usara nezvakadai so otora that screenshot give it to the people. You people, it was easy to believe. Kana munhu aihekwa what is the reason yekuvhara phone number? Kuvharire phone number dzemunhu wawaheka handaunei naye ukuvharire phone number ukuvharire phone number. I want you to go and check machats apostwa naTarogezi and check zvimascreenshot zvaaiposta iyeyo futa ndio futa aiposta zvimaliki izvi musapuseni futa ndiye aiposta uyivhuteko aiposta uyivhuteko kuti angoratidzei kuti aiwa kudya vanhu marari chete aida kuti aiwa no manditi ndinaka bo ndinaka handisi kuramba but vanhu ndikudya marari ndo reason yake that was the main purpose of that whole shenanigan. Ndiani kwanoyekwa for 24 hours account isati yablokwa? Ndiani anoyekwa for 24 hours account isati yablokwa? Alright, takuyeka alright. Saka mafone number tikuvharire. Takuyeka kama phone number tikuvharire. Inda kuyeka zvishona ndida kuexpose mafone number ndomavharire. Adzidi vana vakapusa mani. Musapuse vhuteki irori futa iri. Ndori kukutai mari ombe so kutenderedzwa nyika yese mchitenderedzwa. Then later on you come back with the same account, the same email, same password, same everything. Same everything. Uyu mfana mina ndikubvunze chiripo chimufana chiri papa chakanzi flako wati chibvunze ichi mfana ichi kuti maaccount mangana atabhana kwararo maaccount mangana atabhana kwararo. The moment you realize that handisisiri ndine access into my account aposta zvalevels handari kuti paakaposta zvalevels angayekwa saka paakaposta zvalevels angayekwa then paakazotanga kuposta kikibedesi in the morning paakaposta zvalevels angasati ayekwa paakazoposta zvakikibedesi in the morning angayekwa nekuti ndandauya kuzotaura panapa. It's easy to crop things uchidaiso imi muchifungidzira kuti mune mafriends makapusa stereke ndozvatisingade izvozvozvo zvinayo iwe ndikaritora izvezvichati rangu nevamwe vanhu vandotaura navo mudm mamwe izvezvi ndorikropa ndoriita seisei ndosiya pandikuda ndosiya pandoda kana munondibhiliva kuti chakaipa ichi. That was the whole idea. Dzamba mafuta ranga raona kuti amaiwe vanditi nekadora nyaya yanga ingori yakadora ndopa nyaya musapose muchipusiswa so chiitwa mabharansi kudai so we will not forget the corruption. We will not forget the disrespect on the president. We will not forget the whole corruption that happened on that Auditor General's report. We will not forget. We will not lose focus. We are not going to lose focus. We are never going to accept that. We are not going to lose focus. We are not going to lose focus. You want to lie to people? No. The guy just Starlink in the exclusive deal. It failed. You don't have an exclusive. We say you can hear me because I want you to know the truth. The truth shall set you free. My fake it is I don't try to create a whole situation in the Arguja and Makaipa Mara. They want the negative is on, but if I won't bet to get now. Upon a I will know bonus get away. You are lying. You are lying, you're a liar. You are a liar. Prove to me. Prove it that account was hacked. Prove it. You made a mistake. You've made a very, 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 very big mistake of posting another screenshot. Panning a screenshot, you make a poster so and you quickly deleted it. Can I raise your hand? You're getting something to do with Instagram, so you can post was with Instagram so. I want you to go and kana vaina wakapaona so pamakaposta zvonzi login pambainisi details. The account was banned by Stuart quickly. He said that account yangu the account was banned by Stuart. 4 minutes account yangu yadzoka. Patawa ye pane 2.5 yabhadharwa ye chichichichi anouya uyo nairi cash tumastori twenyu twese tikutuziva fegi auya ne 2500 saka 2500 ndio tinoshandisa kudzosa tabhadhara system nechinichi. We are not stupid. I want you to realize this. We are not stupid and we know what you did there. We know what you did there. You wanted to trend, you wanted to be known with the hair. No. Urikuona vanhu kusunza maoko vakapaona pandikutaura. You don't get that picture if you are not logged into the account. You don't get it. If Instagram, what it does, let me tell you the logic of Instagram now these days. Account yangu ikava phone pangu ikava. For me to get back into my account, I just use the same thing. Chekuchi remember my account, remember phone, remember device. Then I can go back in. Man, this is I can go back in. Then that's okay. Back into my account. Saka iwo wadzokera back into your account. Why? Until uri kuexpose kana kuti vanhu vaposta zvinhu zvaungasingadi kuti vanhu vazive. Uri kuexpose handiti. Saka uri kuregerere kudelete status. Why are you not deleting the status? Why are you not deleting the status? And why you got your account back? Why are you not deleting the status? Why are you not deleting the status? Huh? Zvakatangira chifuta ndoi levels ndopa zvakatangira apa ipapa ndopa zvakatangira ipapa ndobva chati aiwa for me to retaliate kana varatidza kuti ndine vasikana hobo mu DM mangu. You leaked these charts to prove a point kuti aiwa ndinako kadiki zvangu chichichichi. Then you overnyora ka statement, hey, the charts were fake, hey, because he knows that he has messed up relationships. All these people were asking him, he was not yanked. You people don't be this stupid. I've been in this thing for a long time. I have been doing this for the long time, for the longest time. You can't. Instagram is yakunetsa. If you go on your Instagram, go on the account details, you see Facebook. Meta has created an AI version of encryption. It's an all-rounder, 24-hour all-rounder protection. It's linked to the end-to-end encryption. It's a lie. Wikino was not hacked. Record me now. He leaked these charts. He leaked them. He edited them. He wanted people to believe something. He edited them. He did whatever he did. He deleted this one. He deleted that one. He worked in his weapons. It's a lie. He was not hacked. He was not hacked. These people that you see, posted, yes, they were in the DM. But what was the context? Yes. You don't tell you for 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours. Oh, for those account yako. Oh, it's those account yako for 24 hours. What did you do to prove? What did you do to prove to Meta that your account was hacked for you to come back? Yeah? What did you do to prove that? Yeah? What did you do? Everyone that you saw there at your post, yes, it's true, it's not a lie. I'm telling it to you now. It's not a lie. But what's the context? What's the context? If you go and check my chats post na Tariro Gezi, you will see that this is not a lie. He started editing delete party okropa so akropa vanhu vabelieve this okropa this part unoti vanhu vabelieve this okropa this part unoti vanhu vabelieve this. You want to balance like that. Takapusere putsake man putsake. Go and tell people, go and tell them whatever you want. We will prove to you were not hacked. You were not hacked and you were not hacked. Hire me right now. Hire me anyway. I'll bring my laptop in. I'll bring it in. Anyway. Hire me. Pay now. I'll prove to you that this account was not hacked. Call me even in the CIO office, the biggest CIO office. I'll come there and prove to you that this account was not hacked. I'll prove it to you. I'll use my own resources. I'll use my own resources. I'll use my own money. I'll use my own tools. I'll pay for my own tools. This account was not hacked at all. Stop lying to people. Stop lying to people. You lead this thing. You wanted to trend. You wanted to show my big boys around town. Hey, no, government. We're not stupid. What's okay, man? Rubbish. Musapusi square. Musapusi square mimi. Tumastori twese makaita mutaundi aiwa 2.5 cash chichichichi mtinopanana nitwapana hey no we know we're not stupid, we know what happened. The account was not hacked. The account was not hacked. The account was not hacked. I will have proved. I will tell you now, the account was not hacked. No one. Anyway, tomorrow is church. I have to prepare for church. Uh, uh, and I'm very far away from our main church. Saka ndikutoenda kune imwe church. Ndiri kunze kwenyika. Kure saka I have to prepare for church. But ndatukudze right now. Right now, the account was not hacked. The account was not hacked. Zvibvunze iwewe kana ukazvitaridza ikaka kanopinda pai pana Kickbed. Kanoperera pai pana Kickbed kakaya. You can't even breathe on your own. Unori famous as Kikireri. All of these people that he used here, he is not a type of all of those people. He wanted to prove something. He is not a type. He lied. Those girls, they are just victims. I want you to go and check. They are victims. They were there in the DM, yes. But what happened? What happened in the man. Stop lying to people. Stop lying to people. You have no capacity. You have no apparatus. You have insufficient apparatus, adequate apparatus. You have no adequate apparatus to complete the mission that you want to claim that you completed. The mission that you want to tell people that you completed, you did not complete it. It's a lie. Mari ikaenda pamusoro perombe munoiona, pamusoro pebenzi, pamusoro pedhanda head, pamusoro pemunhu asingafunge munoiona. Aka ndokakati paproblem aka. Aikakaka. Uchiteerera, usati waenda, teerera. Today, hauna kuhekwa. Waposta zvalevels, hauna kuhekwa. Then Gringo zvake ndobva aenda bva anotaura the real reason yekuti uneaka. Ndo real reason. Then after that, mangwana makuseni wakutanga kuposta. All right, let me tell you, if it was me, ndakayeka. Why not do a screen record which go through my chat SSO? Why not do a screen record which go through my chat SSO? Why are you not going to why are you not doing a screen record? Because you know zero posta screen record achiradza vanhu vese kuti mese vese ava vari mudm mangu ndiri ni heka inini. Number ndoivharire. Hakuna kupusa mana futsaka. Hakuna kupusa. Chifuta chifungi. Unevafana vanenge vachichipa ma-advice marombe futa vafungi. I'll prove it to you. I'll give you right now. Why not go through? Why inda usiri kuita kana ka screen record kuda ungoradza vanhu vese so kuti une machasi esa. Inda sei usiri kuita izvo. Hakuna kupusa manini. Why would you close someone's name? Why did you close your number? And you poster, why did you close your number? Otozomirira vanhu vakutaura kuti ukunyeba, these are fake. Ndopo kuzondotanga manyino poster number. Inda vadontaura kuti hamuna kana ma-business deals DM mimi. Hamuna tu vana tukukumbira mari mimi. Hamuna tu vakomana tukukumbira mari, ma-artist ari kukumbira mari, nani vari kukumbira mari, hamuna mu DM mimi. Hamuna. You ngorimo ndechekutorodza kuti wangone vasikana vachete. Uchiposta nemachatsi kunana 2022 makapusa imi. Niwe ndizvozvo chokwadi machinzwa. Bye bye.